Okay, it's November 24th. Hello and welcome to the weather update. We have temperatures dropping tonight, depending on where you are. You're in the city, you're still in the mid 40s. If you're further out east, looks like the car place is at 37, so it is kind of a chilly night, but it doesn't feel that cold because there's not a lot of wind. So you're getting the radiational cooling with that 31 there in Old Brookville. Farmingdale's at 41, Islip's 36. And West Hampton is 28. So you're getting that radiational cooling, and that means it's going to be a cool night tonight, especially in those areas that cool off. The city probably won't get that cool. It looks like it's 35 in Toms River. So we're going to take a look at the high temperatures today. So we're going to go look at that. The high temperatures were today, because it certainly, it looks like it did touch 50 in some areas. It's upper 40s to around 50, 50 in Manorville, 47 in West Hampton, 50 at Farmingdale Airport, 48 in Central Park, 50 at LaGuardia. So it's fairly close to average for this time of the year. Toms River was 51. Looking at the skies, unfortunately, it was not all that clear. We started off with some low clouds, some cumulus, and then we dealt with some, there was sunshine, but we didn't really have a nice blue sky. And then we had contrails coming in. You could see the contrails. Actually, you could see them right on the satellite there, and that means that we're starting to see the air traffic increase for the holidays, which is not something I'm at all happy about. I really think the air travel should be extremely restricted until this pandemic is over. But, the current administration cares more about the airlines than our health. Looking at, you can see the cirrus rolling in on us here, so, things are going to start junking up. It wasn't really a nice clear day. I was hoping we would get a nice sky today, but the sky really wasn't all that great. So let's start off with the NAM 12 kilometer, and we'll show you what's going to be happening. This weather update, we'll just talk about the now through the weekend, basically. So high slides off tomorrow. We get the return flow. Just plenty more clouds tomorrow. No precipitation. We start dealing with the rain on Thursday and a chance of showers. Doesn't look like it'll be a huge rain event. The NAM doesn't seem to be giving us that much. Just a few scattered showers around. If we go and we look at the total accumulated precip, let's see how much the NAM is giving us. Yeah, not all that much at all. Looks like it has the heavier stuff going by to the north. And then once we're done with that, we dry out on Friday, and then we're fair for the rest of the weekend. So if we go look at the GFS, you will see once that system moves away, we have a weak high building in, and that'll bring us some fair weather through the weekend, and it'll be dry. And our next chance of rain wouldn't be until Monday. And that one could be a soaker. But we're not there yet, so we're going to look at the temperatures here. So as we go into your tomorrow, after lows generally in the 30s, but could be 20s, maybe even teens in the Pine Barrens. Tomorrow we see those temperatures increase with that southerly flow. We're back above normal, mid to upper 50s, and then you see that warm air surging in on Thanksgiving. Could be 60s in our area, very, very much above normal. And then it cools down a little bit on Friday, but still 55 to 60, it's above normal. Still above normal on Saturday. We try to get it closer down to normal on Sunday. So the next couple days still look kind of above normal, unfortunately, with the temperatures. And if we look at the dew points, you'll see we got a little taste, I think, a little bit of that tropical moisture up here on Thursday, too. Oh, yeah, it's going to be a little humid on Thursday, too. So, yeah, warm and humid on Thanksgiving, and then things dry out after that. Looking at the clouds. So this will be a brief weather update. I'll go in more in depth a little more tomorrow. You see plenty of clouds tomorrow, Thursday, obviously. Friday, we're going to try to get rid of those clouds. So maybe we'll have a clear day on Friday, and maybe Saturday, too. We'll have to see what happens, and Sunday. So hopefully at least we'll get some better skies, though it still will be above normal. We can look at the NAM, but I don't think the NAM is going to go far enough out. It only goes as far out as Friday, so I'd have to use the RGM as far as any alternate models with the skies. This is the RGEM model for Friday. It kind of keeps the clouds around. Unfortunately, this model is a lot more pessimistic when it comes to getting rid of the clouds on Friday. So that's going to wrap up this weather update. Just a brief one. We'll have more on the weather tomorrow, just going over basically today's weather briefly. And we'll have a better idea once I get the HRRR and all the other shorter range models and how much rain we're going to get on Thanksgiving. And I'm hoping I'm hoping it won't be too wet because this November has been one hell of a soggy November, and we're all tired of it. Take care, and thank you for watching.